Kali Linux 2026.1 just dropped. Here is everything you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into ethical hacking, penetration testing, or just love staying ahead of the curve in cybersecurity, you're going to want to pay attention to this one. Kali Linux 2026.1 is officially here, and it's the first major release of the year, packed with a fresh new look, a huge nostalgic throwback, and some seriously powerful new tools. Whether you are a seasoned pen tester or just getting started with Kali, this update has something for everyone. So, let's break it all down step by step so you can decide if it's time to upgrade. First, a brand new 2026 theme refresh. Kali has a traditional of giving the entire interface a yearly makeover, and 2026.1 delivers exactly that. From that very first moment you boot up, everything feels modern and polished. The boot menu, the graphical installer, the login screen, and a fresh collection of desktop wallpapers. The boot animation has also been quietly improved. It's used to get stuck showing only the tail on live images. But now, it plays smoothly and even restarts the loop if your system takes a little longer to boot. It's a small change, but it makes the whole experience feel a lot more professional. Now, BackTrack Mode, celebrating 20 years of history. One of the coolest features in this release is something long-time users have been waiting for. 2026 marks the 20th century of BackTrack Linux, the legendary distribution that came before Kali. To celebrate, the Kali team added a BackTrack mode to the popular Kali undercover tool. Just run Kali-undercover --backtrack from the terminal or launch it from the menu, and your desktop instantly transforms into the classic backtrack file look. Same wallpaper, same color schemes, and same window themes. It's pure nostalgia for veterans, and it's fully reversible with one command. If you have ever used the old backtrack days, this is going to bring back some serious memories. Now, Kali turns 13, and the community celebrated in style. Kali recently hits its 13th birthday, and the team threw a fun community event on Discord with puzzles and prizes. The event is still open for a bit longer if you want to jump in and test your skills. 8 brand new tools added to the arsenal. No Kali release would be complete without new tools. And this one brings 8 powerful additions to the repositories. First, Adaptix C2, a flexible post-exploitation and adversarial emulation framework that's perfect for red teaming. Next, Atomic Operator. It lets you run atomic red team tests across Windows, Linux, and macOS environments with ease. Next, Fluxion, an excellent tool for security auditing and social engineering research. GEF gives you a modern, advanced debugging experience inside GDB. MetasploitMCP, an MCP server designed specifically for Metasploit. SSTI map automatically detects server-side template injection vulnerabilities with a clean, interactive interface. Next, WB Probe, a fast and efficient WordPress plugin enumeration tool. XS Strike, an advanced XSS scanner that goes way beyond basic detection. On top of this, there were 25 new packages, 9 removed, and 183 updates overall. The kernel has also been bumped to version 6.18 for better performance and hardware support. Now, a quick note on unknown issues. The only downside right now is for anyone using the Kali Tools SDR meta package, which is software-defined radio tools. The new radio ecosystem is having some problems in this release. So tools like GR Air Modes and GQRX SDR may be broken. The team expects a fix in the next point release, so it's nothing to panic about. Now, big improvements for Kali NetHunter users. If you run Kali on mobile devices, this release brings welcome updates to the NetHunter app, fixes for WPS scan bugs, HID permission checks, and the back button issue. Specific device highlights include a brand new kernel for the Redmi Note 8, which is Jinko supporting Android 16, a patch for the Samsung Galaxy S10 series that finally makes internal wireless firmware work inside the Kali CH root, meaning Reaver, Bully, and Kismet are now fully functional for war driving. The first ever working Wi-Fi injection patch for QCA CLD 3.0 chipsets. Big news for Qualcomm users. And for fun, one enthusiast even turned a Honda Civic Type R into a rolling pentesting machine using NetHunter rootless. Now, new official mirrors for faster downloads. 4 new mirrors joined the family this cycle: Azerbaijan, China, South Korea, and Spain. If you are in one of these regions, you should see noticeable faster downloads. So, how to get Kali Linux 2026.1? For fresh install, head straight to the official download page and grab the new images, or use the weekly builds if you want the absolute latest packages. If you're already on Kali, just run a full upgrade, which is sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade. Then copy over any new skill files and reboot. After that, grip version etc os-release should show you are now on 2026.1. As always, if you run into any bugs, report them on the official Kali bug tracker. Social media is not a bug tracker. And now, final thoughts. Kali Linux 2026.1 isn't just another point release. It's a love letter to the community, a fresh coat of paint, and a powerful new set of tools that keep this distribution at the forefront of offensive security. Whether you are excited about the BackTrack nostalgia, the new tools, or the mobile improvements, this is definitely worth checking out. Drop a comment below. Are you upgrading right away? Which new tool are you most excited to try? And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a cybersecurity update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video. Happy hacking!